Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe at home, focusing on your studies. Okay, today we are going to start with a new poem. The name of the poem is Run. Now, I just want to know that how many of y'all like to do running, or how many of y'all like to participate in sports? Participating in sports यानी स्पोर्ट्स में हिस्सा लेने को कितने बच्चों को अच्छा लगता है? नाउ मैनी लाइक टू टेक पार्ट इन रनिंग रेस, और मैनी लाइक टू टेक पार्ट इन अ जंपिंग रेस, हाई जंप. Yes or no? So there are all different type of sports, all different types of games, but majority of the games are related to running. Bhago, dodo. Understood? Now how many of you all like to run? Everybody. Yes or no? When you all play cricket, you all run. When you all play catching, you all run. When you all play football, you all are running. So mostly all the games are related to running only. Without running, there are very few games, like indoor games. Yes or no? Indoor means जो घर के अंदर खेला जाते हैं, like carom, chess, ludos and many other games. Okay, so today we are going to learn about a poem. The name of the poem is Run, and it's been written by Mary Daunt. Okay, Run. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Here the poet is telling us, let's run away from this city. आपको भी पता है बेटा, शहरों में बहुत शोर, हल्ला, गुल्ला होता है. So here the poet is telling, let's run away from this भीड़. Let's run away from this crowd. Let's run away from this noise. Okay? Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run neath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Here the poet is telling, let's run away from the noise, let's run away from this crowd. Okay, where to a country, okay, such a country where there is raindrops. We can run in the raindrops, run neath the trees. Neath means beneath the trees, like this. The picture given over here, beneath the trees, यानी tree से नीचे से होकर. Okay, running. Here you all can see these children. So happy they are. Yes or no? So here the poet is also telling us, let's run away. Where to run? Run in the raindrops. Run neath the trees. Neath यानी beneath. Beneath यानी नीचे से. Tree, ये जो tree है उसके नीचे से. Run little races with each little breeze. Let's run like races. जैसे हम running race वगैरह करते हैं. Let's keep a race with the breeze. Breeze यानी हवा. हवा के झोंके के साथ हम भी running race खेलेंगे. Run down the hillsides, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Here the poet is telling us, let's run in the raindrops, let's run from below the trees, let's run a race with the breeze. Breeze यानी wind, हवा हम जिसे कहते हैं. Then let run down the hillsides. Hills यानी पहाड़ जो होते हैं mountains की तरह, pointed hills. Okay, run up the lane. Up the lane यानी जो गलियां होती है वहां पर. Run through the meadows. Meadow is a greenery area where the cattle go to ग्रेज यानी अपना चारा खाने के लिए जहाँ पे जाते हैं. केटल्स यानी Guy, bhais, cow, buffaloes, okay, like sheep, goats, they are known as kettles. And the shepherds take these kettles, for grazing. Grazing यानी चरवाने के लिए, घास वगैरह खिलाने के लिए. Meadows. Meadow is a green area, okay, where most of the kettles go for grazing. And then let's come back again. Run and be merry all through the day. Run to the country, away, away. See that when you all are running, you all are playing, you all be happy. Don't be sad. Merry means happy. All through the day, पूरी तरह दिल खोल कर खेलो. Run to the country, away, away. How beautiful the poet has written this poem. And this is specially for you children. Nowadays, most of them are so much busy playing games on the mobile, or games on laptop, or games on the television. There are so many games where you all can go out and play. So many. You all need not sit whole day with your books. That is also not a good habit. 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the evening. During the lockdown period I am talking about. More than sufficient. Rest of the time you all can do some other activities. And then so many games to play outside your house. But these days children are addicted towards mobile, and that's a very bad habit. Give away the phones. Let your parents use that phone. आपके लिए phone is only for this online studies. Little bit playing games is understood. But we get complaints saying that whole day the child is busy with the phone playing games. That is a very bad habit. Go out of the house, play out with your friends, open breeze, hawa, fresh air. There are so many games where you can play outside. Hide and seek, tug war. Tug war यानी वो रोप खींचना होता है, that. Kabaddi you all can play. Lagori, keeping those 7 stones with hitting it with a ball. There are so many games. That's what the poet is also telling. This running, skipping keeps you fit and healthy. That's the reason people do exercise. They go early in the morning for walk. They do joggings, exercise. Now this running is also a sort of exercise only. It keeps your body fit, healthy. But that doesn't mean कि आप पूरे दिन घर के बाहर खाली रनिंग ही रनिंग करो. No. What a beautiful poem, okay. Run by Mary Dowd. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run neath the trees, run little races with each little breeze. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day, run to the country, away, away. I hope you all understood a very nice poem, a very short poem, written so well. Okay? Try to keep yourself busy with other activities also, rather than playing games whole day. call your friends, make 2 groups, and you all can play many outdoor games. Okay, so I hope you all watch this video. Please watch the video. Any doubts, any queries, you all can call and ask me. Today's homework is read this poem 3 times. I repeat, read this poem 3 times and copy this poem in your English notebook. You all know how to copy. Last year हमने बताया था आपको पोएम्स कैसे कॉपी की जाती है. इट शुड बी कॉपीड एज इट इज इन द बुक. जैसे इस बुक में है उसी तरह से ही आपको कॉपी करनी है पोएम. इज इट क्लियर? आई होप यू ऑल अंडरस्टैंड. वॉच द वीडियो. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. एनी डाउट्स, एनी प्रॉब्लम्स, एनी क्वेरीज, you all can call me and ask me. Okay? I repeat again, today's homework is read the poem 3 times and then copy this poem in your English notebook. Please touch the lines and write neatly. Thank you so much. Watch the video first. Okay? Thank you so much. Be safe at home. Okay? Bye.